side, you can just see the tires.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Go.
Hey guys, Adam Fenig here with Fenig Equipment. You're tuned into the Talking Shed. Hey, it's October. Guys are harvesting. We're doing a Devastator video. I've had a lot of phone calls on a few things about the Devastators, and one I've gotten a lot lately is how do I make them work for my twin row corn? I've got twin row corn. I want a Devastator. So these crimpers, as you know, are 10 inches wide, but maybe you're planting 8-inch twins. Well, if you get them lined up, it'll work, but if you're off just ever so slightly, it won't work. So we've came up with a solution here at Fenig Equipment. We did this to a Devastator here in Ohio the other day, and we lasered out these two brackets, two plates, and all you do is you just weld them on each side to make your crimper wider. So basically, if you're on twins, your stalks are way out here on the edge, and so what this does is it gives you more room, more flexibility, so that you can effectively crimp your twin row corn as well. So easy tip from Fenig Equipment, you can call us to get these plates. We can make them here in house, ship them to you bare. That way you can take them to your Devastator and weld them right on, and you'll be good to go. So if you got a twin row corn planter and you want a Devastator, get a hold of Fenig Equipment. We've got the plates that'll work for you. So that's what we're doing today, and thanks for tuning in.